Hi guys, welcome back to another video. Today I'm going to show you how to download a Skyrim Special Edition ENB. It's pretty simple. All you have to do is head to this page. I'll link it down in the description, where you get your ENB series files so that you can download any ENB that you want. So first of all, you just click on the link in the description and click on the top download, this version here, version 0.427. So click on that, and it'll come up with all this writing. You just have to scroll down right to the bottom and hit download. And as you see, it's downloading here. And then next download file, I'll link in the description again, is this one. So this is just my ENB, which I use most of the time. You can use any ENB, and it'll just start the same. So basically, you just want to download the files. You can either hit manual here or just go to the proper files. I just say manual download. Just wait until it downloads. Slow download because I don't pay. Then starts in 1 second. And here it is downloading. You do need to have WinRAR or WinZip. I'm using WinZip because I prefer that to WinRAR, even though WinRAR's a better zip file manager. I don't know how to say it. But these are the two main files. So then go down and create a new folder on your desktop or in a folder that you want, and double click and then drag these download files into the folder. So this one and this one. So first of all, you need to extract these, which is pretty simple. You just right click. You can use 7-zip if you've got that, WinRAR like I said in the past, or WinZip, which I'm using. Now all you have to hit is extract all, which is quite easy. Extract all, extract, and wait until it copies to this folder. And it's quite a quick download. And then here we are. Just cross this off for now. And now you can get rid of this file now if you want. You've got it in your Chrome or Firefox or whatever, Internet Explorer, blah. You can delete this, which I like doing it nice and clean. Now what you want to do is go into your Steam. You want to go into Skyrim, the Elder Scrolls V Skyrim Special Edition. You want to go Manage. You want to go Properties. You want to go Local Files and Browse Local Files. And now here you are. Now what you want to do is just exit out of Steam, and now here you have all these files. Now what you want to do, you want to click into this one. You click on the wrapper version, and now all you want to do is highlight all of this except from the license files. You don't really need them. So all you've got to do now is right click, copy, and then paste into your Skyrim Special Edition folder. And there it is. You've got ENB series downloaded already. And now what you want to do is you want to go back from this, from that. Now what you want to do is extract the ENB files. I'm using the PRT photorealistic Tamriel ones. So you just want to extract all again. Extract. So it goes into a folder where you can copy the files and put them into your Skyrim Special Edition. And this shouldn't take too long. This is quite a big ENB that I like to use. Most of my Skyrim, I enjoy it. And this is taking longer than I thought. And here it comes. Basically, you can do this with any ENB. Some ENBs have like README files. I'd advise you click on them just to check what the developers have put in them, say if you need to do certain things. But this is the general gist of what most ENBs do. Some have exceptions where they need other programs, but these do not. Now you can delete this ENB series file. I like to keep it because then you can use it again and again and again. If you uninstall Skyrim Special Edition from Steam, yeah, blah blah blah. And now what you want to do, you want to go into the file it's just extracted to. You want to go ENB series, and you want to see all these. Then you just want to check that all of these are here and the texture files here. Now what you want to do, you want to just Control A, or just highlight them all, copy, and then drag them in to the Skyrim Special Edition folder. So it says move to, then it comes up with this, replace the files in the destination, hit the tick, because it's replacing the ENB series files with the ENB. And now there we go. Now you can just close all these down, and then close this one, then launch Skyrim Special Edition.